Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online classes of the Golden Future Public School, Tisri grade. I am Mukesh Singh from Golden Future Public School, Tisri. Today, I am going to mathematics classes of class 8. Okay, and we new chapter started algebraic expressions and identities. At first, introduce what is expressions. What is expressions? So 3x plus 2 is a expressions and 4x is another expressions and 4x plus 9 is another expressions. So these expressions 5x plus 9 is expressions and 5x plus 9. 5x we say terms and 9 is a terms. Now we introduce what is term. What is term? 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 is a term expressions and 3x plus 2 are separated with a symbol plus. So 3x plus 2 is separated by plus signs. So 3x is a terms and 2 is another terms. Also we say 4x is a terms, 5x plus 9 is a terms. Now next term is a factor. What is factor? 3x. 3x we say 3 into x. We say 3x. So 3 and 4 is a factors of 3x. Again we have to discuss about coefficient. What is coefficient? Coefficient means 3x. Suppose it is a expressions. Suppose it is a expressions and 3 into x, that is 3x. So x 3 is the coefficient of 3x. 3 is the coefficient of 3x. Next topic. Now we have to discuss about monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Polynomials. Mono means single, that is one terms. Bi means two, or tri means three. Poly means many or any number of terms. We say one term means 3x. We say two terms means 3x plus 4 and 3 terms means 4x plus 5, y plus 2 and any numbers of terms 8x plus 9z plus 10z plus 5. It is a different types of expressions. So we say all monomial, binomial, trinomials, say polynomials. And now we discuss about like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. 4x plus 8x plus 5x. We say x and also x having same symbol, that is x. So we say 4x plus 8x plus 5x. That both all terms are same. So it is a like terms. Also we have see 9xy and 10yz. We say xy and yz are not like. So we say 9xy and 10yz are not like terms. Okay. Next thing. We know that we have to discuss about monomial, binomial, trinomials and polynomials. We add with same symbols, that is same algebraic expressions. Now we additions of algebraic expressions. We discuss about additions of algebraic expressions. For example, 5x plus 9x plus 5x. Additions, add. That is 5x plus 9x plus 5x. We see x, x and x. All are same. All are same. That is like terms. We have discussed in this class x, that is like terms. So we add like terms. So we get 19x. Also
8xy plus y 9xy. We add this 8xy plus 9xy. We have to see xy and also xy are same, that is like terms. So we add 9 plus 8 is equal to 17xy. Clear? Next thing, subtractions of algebraic expression. Subtractions of algebraic expression. We know that we have to add and subtract with like terms, not we add unlike terms. Okay? So 4xy plus 5yz from subtract 4xy plus 5yz from this. Subtract. This is subtract 4xy plus 5yz from this. Okay? So at first we like terms. So 6xy plus 9yz, 4xy plus 5yz. Now we subtract with sign change. This is a plus, so we change minus. This is plus, so we change minus sign and we subtract the digit. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2xy with plus sign, and again 9 minus 5 we get plus 4yz. Okay, so we add like terms and subtract with like terms. Okay, next thing. Next questions. Subtractions. 4x plus 5y minus 3z from 6x minus 3y plus z. We write at first like terms. 6x minus 3y plus z. Again 4x plus 5y minus 3z. We subtract these two expressions. 6x minus 3y plus z minus signs subtractions. 4x minus 5y plus 3z. 4 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 8y, and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4z. Okay, clear all topics? Now we have to discuss about constant and variables. In this chapter we say 4x is the expressions, and we say 4 into x. So 4 is constant and x is a variables. We use any numbers, counting numbers is known as constant, and x, y, z we use are also in variables. In many books write A, B, C. It is also known as variables. So no any problems. In this place x, y we write A, B. In many books write 3x, y. 3 is as well as constant, and we also use AB. So in these expressions say 3AB. Here 3 is the constant and AB is the variables. So also use many books in the XY to AB. No any problems? 3 is the constant and XY is variables. Also we say AB is the variables. Next thing, multiplications of algebraic expressions. Multiply 5x into and 8x. 5x into 8x. We know that these and these are same. That is like terms. Like terms. So we write 5x into related with multiplication signs into x, 8x. So 5 8 ja 40 into x. So here power is 1 and base in the same base and related with multiplication signs, power will be added. So x to the power 1 are 1. So we get x square. We know that x into x is equal to x square, where x and x are base. X is the base and power is the 1. And we know that in the previous classes, x to the power 1 into x to the power 1, that is like terms or it is a base. So related into multiplication signs, then we add the power. So 14x square we get 14x square. Again question number 3, 8xy into minus 3xy. We know that these and these are like terms. So 8 3 ja 24 with minus signs are also x to the power 2 into y to the power 2. Because xy and xy are same, so we can again write 24xy whole square. We can write in another terms. Again multiplications. Question number 4, 9xy into minus 2xy, that is 9 2 ja minus 18x square y square. So we discuss about different multiplications, additions and subtractions in these classes. So our homework is now, dear students, today I discuss about many topics, that is likes, terms, factors, coefficients, and what is monomial, binomial, trinomials, and what is a variable constant, and how can we add, how can we subtract with like terms, and how can we multiply with terms, like terms. So your homework is at first additions. Question number 1, 8xy minus 5xy, 3xy and minus 3xy. Question number 2, 7x minus 3x, 5x minus x minus 2x. In these two questions, we see xy all are like terms. So easy way we add these different terms. We easily add these different terms. Again, question number 2, 7x minus 3x plus 5x minus x minus 2x. Also we see x, all terms having are same, that is like terms. So we can add all terms with proper signs. Again, homework is subtractions. How can we subtract 3x square from minus 5x square y square? We can say 3x square in these terms, x square y and x square y, that is like term. These are like terms. So we subtract these two terms. Okay. Next question number minus 2xyz from minus 8yx. Minus 8xyz. We have two questions, xyz and xyz, that is like terms. So we subtract these two terms easy way में, only we sign change. Okay. And now multiplications, 3xy and 6xy. We say also xy and xy, that is like terms, not unlike. So we multiply with digit and write proper symbols, that is like terms, and we add the power. Next questions, 8yz and 7yz. Also we have to see a yz and yz, that is like terms. Like terms. So we multiply 7 at the and we write the like terms with proper signs or degree. Okay. So in this today I am in this classes and I hope to complete all questions at home, and if any questions have problems, then ask me on subscribe now. Thank you. Okay, have a nice day.